Hi guys, it's Believer Boy, and today I'm going to show you the basic steps or tips on how to draw for beginners.
So the supplies you're going to need is some paper. I like using line. Usually mess up on regular blank paper, so I like using line because I can get sometimes perfect lines. And you're going to need a regular pencil. I just found this somewhere. And you're going to need a pen, shader, and sometimes a sharpener.
And I sometimes, if I don't have an eraser, I'll get a regular eraser. But I have an eraser right here, so I'm good. Then you're going to need some of the stuff.
Well, there is an eraser in here, I guess.
But mostly it's the colors that I use. The basic steps are, first one is going to be how to line out and draw a box with, like, it looks like a window, like the animated windows. And I start out with a circle in the middle, and then you'll draw the chin. So the other tip, number 2, is how to line out the legs and how to make them. So the legs, I usually just make a long oval and a little circle for the feet, and then I'll make another same copy but going the other way.
You can make him have one feet going that way and one feet facing that way. That's a harder thing for me. I'm just kind of a beginner. I've been getting better by looking at other YouTube videos. I'll leave them in the comments if you want to know which videos they are. But they're just some drawings that are basic for beginners. I am a beginner.
Third tip is, like, don't worry about it. It'll be okay. Because when I was a beginner, when I first drew with my dad, I would say, like, Dad, you're so good.
But I would have been really bad. Sometimes you will be bad.
But it's okay. You'll keep trying, and you'll get better once you look at more. Like, Google up, like, cool drawings, and you can look at them and, like, get the ideas. That's what I used to do. Just, like, look at a picture and then look at, like, a total different picture and, like, just mix them together randomly. Because I don't know how to draw, like, just straight out. I'll forget a picture, but I'll know some, and then I will, like, know another picture, and I'll just know it. So that's all for the beginner tips, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're good at drawing. And God bless you. Bye.